show you the restoration of the door at 32 Park Street. This is the upper balcony portion door. This was installed in 1915 during a renovation. It's a Prairie style door. It's got glass center, it's surrounded by wood. It is pine wood. It's being restored and stripped of paint. Still a work in progress, but I wanted to document the locking mechanism. This is the original hardware from 1915. It goes into this crevice. There are two holes. The top hole is for the handle, and the bottom hole is for a skeleton key deadbolt locking mechanism. So as we took this apart, I wanted to show you a little bit about this. This is a fairly complex mortise lock from 1915. It is manufactured by the Norwalk Lock Company of Norwalk, Connecticut. It's got the portion of the door handle catch that goes in and out, and it's got a locking mechanism on top, but I wanted to document the skeleton key portion. So the mechanism is as follows. The skeleton key, when it's inserted, it's an L-shaped. There's two big pieces here that have to engage. The first thing that happens is this top plate, this metal plate, which is held in place by this pin that allows it to go up and down, and then a little tension rod that holds it in place and provides some resistance. So when the key is inserted, it pushes this metal portion up and allows, when the key is turned, it will push the deadbolt portion till it's fully extended, and then when it's released, the key is removed and the lock is held in place in a locked position. So this is an early deadbolt with the skeleton key. To turn it back in, to make sure that it is recessed to open the door, the process is reversed. The skeleton key is inserted. This top plate is pushed up, and then the key is turned to the right, which pulls the locking mechanism back in place, and it snaps, and then when released, it's locked into place. So this has been restored. All the hardware is still there, still functional from 110 years ago. The only part that's missing is the skeleton key, which is the next phase. Action. All right, this is the follow-up video of the Norwalk mortise lock from 1915. So what we've done is restored it and also built a skeleton key. So this skeleton key will operate the deadbolt, which probably hasn't been used in over 100 years, and there it is. All right, so the way it works, the door is closed, and then the skeleton key is inserted and the door is secure. And then to open the door, we go the other way and open the door. So the skeleton key pushes the ward up, the type of lock that it is, pushes or lifts and pushes out. Lift and push. All right, end of video.